Hello, my name is Thomas and we are here at the first edition of Curatio, and I would like to show you the space. So here we're looking at a moon lamp which follows exactly the time of the moon, and it's made out of marble, and I think that's really beautiful. I would like to show you a piece from Lobmeier, which is a design from the 1920s, and I love the fragility and the delicate finishing of that piece. Now we're looking at a piece from Rossen, which is a limited edition. It's made out of solid marble. I think it's just gorgeous and a beautiful piece. We're looking at a piece of a young designer. This piece is carved out of one solid block of oak. He's taking out to the bare minimum, which makes it very fragile. To finish, we have a table from Il Laboratorio Imperfecto. And as the name already applies, I love the combination of perfection and imperfection. Thank you, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you there.